Let's take a look at the golden allusion. This is a compact full Syngonium podophyllum plant. The leaf size is intermediate and arrow-shaped. The leaf color is a brilliant, almost iridescent golden yellow with prominent pink-red veins, which offers an excellent contrast. What I do really love best about this plant is that the Syngonium Gold Allusion adds instant style to your home. Syngonium is known for butterfly or heart-shaped leaves with mottled waves of golden yellow and slight reddish-pink veining. This easy care arrowhead plant is a favorite for busy owners because it tolerates forgotten waterings. One of the best and very recommended plant care tips, the one that I can share with you, is that to keep it happy, keep the soil moist, but let the top inch dry out before watering. Another plant care tips is that an abundance of indirect light will maintain the stunning variegation in this plant's leaves. It can also do well in low or medium light areas, but the leaves may lose some of their golden hues. Occasionally fertilize the soil and transplant your Syngonium to a larger pot if it starts to outgrow its current container. If you want to keep your Syngonium compact and bush-like, trim it back to promote new growth. If you want to let your Syngonium Gold Allusion's vines to grow long, then avoid pruning and simply remove spent leaves. Based on what I researched, Syngonium is a perfect Feng Shui plant in 2023, so have it now. If you want to place this indoors, place the Syngonium or goosefoot plant in front of a sharp corner or angle that may be cutting chi. Thank you so much for your love and support. God bless us all. Enjoy the rest of your day.